Case Protection of Child 2015.
In 2015, several significant developments occurred regarding the protection of children, focusing on legal frameworks, policies, and international standards aimed at safeguarding children's rights and well-being. Here are some key aspects and highlights from that period. 1. Legal frameworks and reforms. A. India's Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO Act. The POCSO Act, which came into force in 2012, continued to be a major piece of legislation for child protection in India in 2015. It provides a comprehensive legal framework to protect children from sexual abuse, exploitation, and harassment. It mandates child-friendly procedures for reporting and recording cases of sexual offenses. B. U.S. federal and state laws. In the United States, various states were updating their child protection laws to better address issues like child abuse, neglect, and trafficking. The federal government also continued to focus on improving child welfare policies through legislation like the Child Abuse Prevention and Treatment Act, CAPTA, and the adoption of more stringent measures for child protection. 2. International standards and initiatives. A. United Nations initiatives. The United Nations and its agencies continue to advocate for children's rights globally, working on various fronts including child protection in conflict zones, combating child labor, and improving educational opportunities. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, adopted in 2015, included specific targets related to child welfare, such as reducing child mortality and ensuring quality education for all children. B. UNICEF's role. UNICEF was active in promoting child protection through its various programs and reports. This included efforts to prevent violence against children, address the needs of children in emergencies, and support policies that protect children's rights. 3. Challenges and issues. A. Child trafficking. Child trafficking remained a significant issue globally, with efforts focused on combating trafficking networks and providing support to victims. B. Child labor. Despite progress in some areas, child labor continued to be a concern, particularly in developing countries. International organizations work to raise awareness and promote interventions to reduce child labor. C. Digital safety. The rise of the Internet and digital technologies highlighted new risks for children, including online exploitation and cyberbullying. Efforts to enhance digital safety and educate children about online risks were increasingly important. 4. Awareness and advocacy. A. Public awareness campaigns. Various non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and advocacy groups launched campaigns to raise awareness about child abuse, neglect, and rights violations. B. Global conferences and reports. Conferences and reports continued to highlight the need for stronger child protection mechanisms and better implementation of existing laws and policies. In summary, 2015 was a year marked by ongoing efforts to strengthen child protection laws, improve international standards, and address emerging challenges. It involved a combination of legislative reforms, global initiatives, and advocacy efforts aimed at ensuring the safety and well-being of children around the world.
Law case notes.